We got some static on the radio. We got a guy next to me in this car, probably thinking I'm okay. Thanks. Nope, that's perfect. Okay. Sorry, I'm so distracted. Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Wait a minute. Thank goodness for Apple Watches. Tuesday the 6th. I thought it was September 7th. It's not. You okay, baby? She just had a bottle. So my husband is currently inside of Dunkin' Donuts and we are gonna get some coffee and some food because, pro tip, never ever go to the grocery store even like remotely hungry. Even if like you didn't eat breakfast and you're like, I'm gonna be okay, just make sure you grab something. And we have no groceries in the house. We've been down to the barrel, so we've been kind of pushing it off since like Saturday, Sunday-ish, and it's Tuesday now. So we're gonna go get some groceries today. I have a really fun recipe that I think I'm gonna share with you guys. I haven't tried it yet. It's this like tomato basil basically soup, and I'm really excited. I think it's gonna be so good. It is so rainy here. I keep clapping my hands. I don't know why, but it's been really rainy here. Oh my gosh. Oh, why am I like so, I'm like so on edge like everybody. I'm like, who is that? It's like, Ashley, you are parked in a public place. Anywhoosies, we're getting a pumpkin spice latte and an avocado toast. Do not knock the avocado toast from Dunkin'. I think it's pretty good, honestly. Yeah, if you're in a pinch, like, because all we have here is Dunkin'. We have no Starbucks. Like, the closest one is like probably 20 minutes from here, but not ideal. So yes, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just kind of hang out. I have a lot of like cleaning I would like to do today. Oh, I need to go to the library. I want to share with you guys the book I'm currently reading and then 2 books I'm picking up at the library. And yeah, I'm gonna just close this out because my husband's gonna be here soon, but I just wanted to start this vlog. So yeah. Good. Is this good, you think, or is it too light? I think it's okay.
I think it's good, yeah.
Would you mind just moving your water bottle, maybe? Yeah.
You gotta take out a loan and use other people's, like.
We've got all the goods. Fine, if you're in the background, that's fine. Okay, so I have a little friend with me. I just went to our library to pick up some books, so I just wanted to give you guys a little like book update. So a couple things. I was actually just talking to my husband about this. So I've never been really a big reader, but lately I've been wanting to read more and I have been reading more. So just trying to like find the time to do that basically. So yeah, I have 100 pages left of this one. I'm really hoping I can finish it probably within like the next couple of days because I went to the library and I picked up 2 more books that I'm really excited about. So I got It Happened One Summer. If you are like a big reader or follow any like reading pages online, you've probably seen this one. My sister actually told me about this, I feel like a while ago before it became so popular. So this is by Tessa Bailey, and I'm pretty sure this is the one that, I don't know if it was like inspired by Schitt's Creek or what, but I guess the like main girl character gives off like Alexis vibes if you're familiar with Schitt's Creek. So I'm really excited to read that. This is a little bit different, but he's just so cute. I saw Alison Bickerstaff actually talk about this, and she said the beginning was a little bit like boring and dry. So I think I'm gonna start this one. I might read them both at once and just see like what I'm in the mood for. Like whenever I read, whether it's like during naps or before bed. But I got the Dictionary of Lost Words by Pip Williams. So I'm really excited about this one. I'm pretty sure it's kind of like is it a historical fiction kind of? Let me read the inside to you guys. Yeah, so in this remarkable debut novel, not album, based on actual events, as a team of male scholars compiles the first Oxford English Dictionary, one of their daughters decides to collect the objectionable words they emit. So I'm excited about that. So that is of like one of the, which dictionary? Sorry, I'm so bad. The Oxford English Dictionary and like how it came to be, and then the story, I think, of like the daughter or the family. So that's really cool. So I'm excited for that.
What are you doing? When did you grow up? When did you get so big? Hi. Wow, say I'm crawling. I'm sitting up by myself. I'm such a big girl.
Okay, so quick change of plans. Sorry, the lighting in the kitchen is not the best, but I was gonna make a soup, but instead, just looking at the time and energy, we're gonna do buffalo chicken dip today. So what you're gonna need if you want to copy this recipe, we're gonna use some Philadelphia cream cheese. I got the 1/3 less fat. And then I also got same thing, just like the light ranch. Doesn't make a difference, maybe, but we don't really know. So we're gonna try that. And then just some Frank's Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce. I grabbed, actually, are these the ones I normally get? But I just grabbed 3 of these chicken breasts, probably full of preservatives, but I mean, what can you do? And I completely forgot when we were grocery shopping to pick up cheese, but the recipe calls for cheddar cheese, but we have some mozzarella and Montgomery Jack that we're gonna use because cheese is cheese. I was just telling my husband. So I'm gonna get the crock pot, wipe it down, and then get this started. Okay, so this is what it looks like with everything in it. Doesn't look appetizing right now, but it will be. So we're gonna put it on high just so that it'll cook faster. Uh-oh. It's like 2.5 hours. I don't even think it needs that long.